250 now, 5. 10-250 now, 5. At 10-250 now, 5, 5, 5, limited 10-5. At 10-250 now, 5, 5, 5, limited 10-250 now, 5. At 10-5, here goes. Everybody else again there, 10-5, limited 10. You got 10-5, now 10-7-50. At 10-7, limited 10-5, now 7, at 7, at 7, at 10-7, limited 10-5, now 7, at 7, at 7, at 7, at 10-7-50. 10-6, 10-7, 10-7, here goes. Everybody else at 10-6, now 7, he wants to sell it. Here goes. At 10-7 again, they're going to be 10-7. At 10-7, I got now 10-8. At 10-7, now 8, 10-8, 10-8. At 10-7, 8, now 9, 10-9, 9 again, there, 9, now 11, 11,000 again. 11,000, 1, 11, 1. No, we took 11 here. 11, 1, 11, 1, and now 11, 2. Again, there, 2, 11, 2, now 3. You're out. You want to make it 11-3, now 11-4, 11-3, 4. 11-3, now full 4. Here goes. Everybody else, 11-3, 11-4, 11-3, 4. 11-3, 4. 11-3, 11-4. Now 5. 11-5. 11-4, now 5. Dean, 11-4, now 11-5. 11-4, now 5. 5, 11-4, 5. Drive it out. Here goes. 11-5. That's a lot of car for money. A lot of car for money. 11-8. 11-4, now 11,500. One of the better buys today. 11,500. A lot of car for the money. 11,500. 11,500. 11,500 going once. Anybody else? Put your hand up. 11,500 you got. And now 11,600. You're out, sir. 11,600. 11,500. 11,600. 11,500. 11,600. Anybody else? 11,600. Any other bidders? The reserves off. He wanted 18,000, but he's going to sell it today. I got 11.5 here. 11.6, he's not in. 11.6, 11.5, 11.6, 11.6, 11.5, 11.6, 11.6. Last call. I don't want to miss you now. 11.6. Fair warning. I'm going to sell it. 11,006. Now 7. 11.7. I got now 11.8. 11.8, sir. 11.8. And now 11.9. That's a buy. 11.9. Now 12. That's a lot of car for the money. 12,000. 11.9. Now 12. 12,000. 11.9. Now 12. A little bit 12,000. A little bit 11.9. A little bit 12,000. 11.9. Now 12. Sold right here. 11,900. Right here. Sold. 11,900. Sold. Another one. 11.9. Sold. 11 out of the last 13. SP 21,000. We'll give him 10. 5 got. Now 7,500. 75. Got there. Now 10. 10,000. I got 75 bid. Now 10. 10,000 to 10. 8 got. Now 9. 9. I got 9 over there. Now 10. At 10. Number 14, 7, 14, 7, it's worth it, sir. It's worth it. 14, 7.5. 6, okay, 14-7. You're out here, 14-7. The reserves off. It's good to be sold. 14-7. 14-69-7. The reserves off. It's good to be sold. 14-7 and 14-7. Get your bids in. And 14-7. I don't want to miss you now. The car's worth more. 14-7. 14 to 14,700. The wheels. Last call. 14,700. Did you bid in the front row, sir? You would have been 14-7. 14-6 and 14-7. 14-7, 14-6, 14-7. Anybody else at 14,777, 14,700. Anybody else? Did you want back in? Did you? Sold $14,600. Sold it at $14,600. We sold another one. Sold another one. 14-6. Sold 15 out of the last 18. About 5,000. We get 3,000. How much started there? 250, now 500. At Studebaker, where's Studebaker? At 200, at 25, now 7, now 25, now 7, at 25, 27, 50, at 25, 2600. Oh, that car, that pickup is it's Studebaker. Look how rare it is. Look how rare it is. At 25, 2600, now small. At 25, 2600, 5 is waiting at
This six-cylinder car is in excellent condition. Low miles, full power, steering, brakes, power with air.
Coming to the bid. Some of them about their name about $20,000 on the Maserati. It's got Rolls-Royce type leather interior. It's got the most beautiful rural walnut interior that you've ever seen in your life. The richest interior of any automobile in the world. You need to step up and look at the interior of this car. The interior is 10 times more desirable than any interior you'll ever see in your life. So we get 15,000. Again, pull, now 5, 5,000, 45, now 5. Again, 5, now 55. At 5, 55, 55, 5,55. At 5,55, 5,5500. If you look at the interior, you can't help but buy this car. This is the most beautiful interior of any automobile manufactured today anywhere in the world. I'm telling you, come up and look at it. Hey, Gordy, open the doors on both sides. Let them see this. Open this car up. You can't believe it. The interior, the leather seats are about an $8,000 option in most cars. I mean, this is what they put in Rolls Royces. Man, I'm telling you, it's unbelievable, unbelievable quality leather interior. And I've only got...
We had some of these all rusted out, about 5,000 to 6,000.
30, 30, in there, 36, down 37, at 37.
Right there, Gordy.
37, 37,
Her husband just sit down.
37, 37, 117, 37, 36,
Yep,
5,
yep,
7,
yep.
now 8, 38, 37, 38, 37, 138, down 38, 37, down 38. Come on, Chicago. At 38, there's one for you. At 38, at 37, pound on 38, 138, 37, pound on 38,000. At 37, pound on 38, 138,000. We're lifting the reserve and the cars for sale. I kid you not when I tell you, timing is 90% of life. You're in the right place at the right time. If you let this quality restored car slip through your fingers at this price, it will not be our mistake. It will be your mistake. It's that nice of a car. It can be just as easy. She's in at 38, 39, 38 now 9, 38 now 999, little bit 39, at 38 now 999, 1 about 39, at 38 now 999, 1 about 39, little bit 38 now 999, 1 about 39,000, at 39 here it goes. Anybody else? Last call, 38.5, did you want back in, sir? 38.5, 38.5, did you want back in? 38.5, anybody else? 38,500, last call, 38,005. The car of your life for the money, 38.5. Anybody else? 38,500. Did you want it? 38.5, 38,500. You couldn't spend your money any better than right here today. 38.5, and a little bit 38.5. Anybody else? Sold $38,000. Congratulations. The lady and the gentleman bought it right there. $38,000. Goes to Miami, Florida.
All right, right here, number 456 is a 1968 Triumph TR4A. Frame off, total restoration in 1993.
Come up to the auctioneer's podium when your car comes in. It helps us a little bit. All right, I want you to bid right here. Someone put about $10,000 to start the bidding. Somebody get 10. 45. Look at 47 back. 45, 47 back. Open up. Let them see this car. Hot now. Man, I can't believe this car is way under money. It's going to have to put it hot down. No. 47.
This is a fantastic car. It's about $150,000 just like new. All 513. 13,000. 6-cylinder, total body armor restoration, excellent condition, matching numbers, one of the best show cars.